The best laser engraving machines for beginners in 2026 combine easy setup, advanced safety features, and reliable performance, making them simple to use right out of the box. They deliver precise, consistent engraving on popular materials such as wood, leather, and acrylic using efficient laser technology. With intuitive software and user-friendly controls, beginners can create professional-quality designs quickly and confidently. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So let's go find them out. 5. The SCULPFUN C1 Mini Laser Engraver is an impressive, compact machine that delivers remarkable precision thanks to its 3W diode laser and ultrafine 0.04 mm focus, producing sharp and highly detailed engravings. Despite its small size, it offers a generous working area and supports over 100 materials, making it versatile for creative projects on wood, leather, acrylic, and more. Its portable design allows you to take it anywhere, while still maintaining strong performance and efficiency. With precise positioning features and wide compatibility with software like Lightburn and Laser GRBL, it ensures smooth and professional results. Easy to set up and beginner-friendly, it provides a safe and enjoyable engraving experience right out of the box. 4. The Twotrees TTS-55 Pro Laser Engraver stands out with its powerful 5.5W laser, delivering impressive cutting depth and precision across a wide range of materials. Its advanced compression laser technology ensures sharp details and clean results, making it perfect for both engraving and cutting tasks. With a spacious 300 by 300 mm working area and high-speed 32-bit control board, it offers fast, efficient performance for hobbyists and professionals alike. The added air-assisted nozzle and safety features enhance both quality and user protection during operation. Combined with broad software compatibility and wireless control options, it provides a smooth, versatile, and highly satisfying engraving experience. 3. The WIZMAKER Wand Laser Engraver delivers outstanding performance with its powerful 12W laser, offering deeper cuts and faster engraving compared to typical entry-level machines. It produces clean, sharp results on a wide range of materials, making it ideal for detailed designs, logos, and creative projects. With high-speed capability and precise motion control, it ensures consistent and professional quality output every time. Its solid aluminum frame, accurate positioning, and user-friendly compatibility with Lightburn and Laser GRBL make it perfect for both beginners and advanced users. Combined with optional rotary accessories and strong safety design, it provides a versatile and reliable solution for serious makers. 2. The Carverall K15 Pro Laser Engraver combines compact design with powerful performance, making it perfect for everyday creative projects and small business use. Its true 10W laser delivers consistent, high-quality engraving and cutting across a wide range of materials while maintaining excellent precision and speed. The easy setup, smart AI design features, and seamless wireless connectivity make it especially beginner-friendly and efficient to use. Built with a durable frame and enhanced cooling system, it ensures stable performance even during long engraving sessions. With its upgradable design and ability to handle taller objects, it offers a flexible and future-ready solution for makers and creators. 1. The ATOMSTACK A20 Pro V2 Laser Engraver delivers exceptional performance with its powerful 20W laser, enabling fast, deep cutting, and highly precise engraving across multiple materials. Its advanced motherboard and compression technology ensure sharp detail and consistent results, even on complex designs. With impressive engraving speeds and strong cutting capability, it significantly boosts productivity for both hobbyists and professionals. The durable aluminum frame and linear guide system provide stability, accuracy, and long-term reliability. Easy to assemble and packed with safety features, it offers a secure and user-friendly experience. Combined with wide software compatibility and flexible control options, it stands out as a high-performance, versatile engraving solution.